All right, so I'm gonna start by showing you how to put your frame loom together. You wanna lay all your pieces out and make sure you have everything that you need. We have these two pieces here are the prongs that will hold the yarn for your frame loom. There are braces that go on the inside. These two pieces here are the rigid heddle, and they get put together with these loops. So we're just gonna put those aside for now because we don't need them. And then also the sides. So there are these side pieces here. So what we'll do is start by taking your braces for the inside. If you flip it over, you can see it says inside with an arrow pointing this way. That's incorrect. We want to have that pushed to the outside. So you can see right here, there are two slots right here and two hooks, and those just go right into the slots, straight in. And then they get pushed to the left of myself right now. And then opposite's gonna happen on this side. So the hooks go straight in and get pushed to the right. And then I'm gonna do that on this side too. And it's actually helpful not to push it until you have everything together. So this one I may have to shift the back of it. If I lift it up, I can just push that back so that they can go straight in. See how it goes straight in, and then we just shift it over and they get pushed opposite directions. So that locks it into place. All right, so now what we're gonna do is add the prongs here. This is what's gonna hold the yarn. So same way of doing this, you're gonna have to manipulate it a little bit to get it right into the correct spot. So those go straight in and down. And then you can see that I'm carefully bending the wood. You don't want to bend it too hard because you don't want it to break. So that goes straight in and it gets pushed down. And then I'll do the other side. So this goes straight into the slots, the two hooks go straight in and down, and straight in and down. So once I put it down on the table, I'm gonna push everything in the direction that it's supposed to be so it's nice and tight. And you can see it starts flexing in. When we put the yarn on, it'll flex in more. So you wanna take two of these. You can see there are the short pegs on them. There's one right over here too. There's a third one, but you can see with this one the peg is longer, so you can just discard this one. We don't need it. So you take both of these and you can see on the inside there are little holes right here that have been cut out on either side. So we're going to put these in as braces. So the first one goes into that hole. And I'm going to shift it around so they're lined up with both of the holes like that, and they get pushed in, and that really secures it more than it was before. So I'll do the same thing to this side where I get the first slot in, and you can see all the wood is bending slightly. So just be careful as you're getting it together because you don't want it to break. And you can see how that really holds it into place more. So now we have the frame loom put together, and I'm going to show you how to thread it.